Hey guys, I'm Adam from the website and YouTube channel Lazy Guy DIY, and today I'm going to share with you a new product that we're trying out in our home, and that is the Glacier bottom load water dispenser. This thing is great for a family like ours that's constantly on the move. We are always big water drinkers, so this is an excellent addition to our home. It has hot water, cold water, and room temperature water dispensers, and a couple other features that we want to show as well. So let's check this thing out.
With an ENERGY STAR rating, this bottom-loading water dispenser uses 70% less energy than a traditional always-on hot and cold water cooler. There's no more worrying about lifting heavy bottles or accidental spills when you have a bottom-load dispenser. With a black piano gloss finish and stainless steel accents, this unit is sure to complement any room. With a large fill area perfect for large glasses and pitchers, you're ready for these easy press buttons for cold or room temperature water. And then there's a child lock that's great for parents when you're ready to heat up water with an energy-saving patented kettle that provides hot water in under 3 minutes.
So if you're looking for a new appliance to add to your kitchen, then check out the Glacier bottom load water dispenser. Remember, it's got the fingerprint-free finish and it looks great. So check this out, and you can find it at the Home Depot.